Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by reducing visual noise and reserving sensory bandwidth. Close distracting tabs and limit visible objects. Once done, set a 20-30 minute window and start a warm-up sketch. Continuous lines, simple shapes, blobs without critique. Doing this first primes pattern detection, spatial perception, and image-based association in the right hemisphere. While sketching, name one feeling or dominant image with a single word to anchor emotional input. Make sure to keep strokes bold and relax so movement, not analysis, leads. Now move into deliberate exercises that bias right brain processing. Start blind contour drawing to force direct observation, then try mirrored drawing or quick collage to mix imagery and intuition. Once you rotate through them, emphasize texture, negative space, and proportion rather than naming parts. This shifts you from verbal labeling to holistic perception. Make sure to switch hands or draw larger than life to disrupt analytic motor patterns. Keep short, timed rounds so your brain favors visual strategies over critical evaluation. To finish, integrate by choosing one image you made and annotate a single visual insight plus an emotion. This links imagery to meaning. Once done, plan daily 10-15 minute sessions and track one metric, like variety of shapes or ease of free drawing, to measure growth. If you hit resistance, simplify constraints. Remove rules, play ambient music, or try eyes-closed imagery to re-engage right-side processing. Make sure to be patient. Consistency reorganizes habits more than single breakthroughs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.